Welcome to Broker Bill's Babble. So this week's going to be about food. Yes, my belly shows you I do love food. And we were just over at Fish On in 5 Points. FishOnLewis.com is the website. That's not where you're going to eat. You're going to actually eat at 5 Points. But one of Christine's favorite stops for Cosmos is there. And if you see Mark was telling us about this special that they're doing on wings for the Super Bowl. So I don't know about you, whether you're a football fan or not a football fan. Yes, I was born up above the art museum, so I have to go with the Eagles on this one. Sorry, haters out there. But they're doing this great special, and they are giving you options. So anybody that knows Fish On, when you go there, they do their wings, whatever ones they wear. So my brother-in-law loves the icky stickies that they used to do. They changed that up over the years. So for the Super Bowl, they're doing a choice of a dozen wings. And if you go to this select flavor, pick up on 2-6 between 1 and 4. They got barbecue with blue cheese, buffalo with blue cheese, the sticky icky with sriracha ranch, not rank, honey garlic, and then Old Bay. So they're giving you some choices. You got to pick them up between 1 and 4 and the 6. I think they're going to probably shut this down pretty quickly because I think they're going to get a lot of orders for this stuff, but we'll see. So if you're in the Lewis area, anywhere around the 5 Points, and you want to get some great wings for the Super Bowl, pretty sweet deal. So go Eagles, E-A-S, or however that lady spelled it. I don't know. But until next week, I'll give you something different. But this week, I was hungry. Now I want wings and maybe a Cosmo. Happy whatever February week. Talk to you next week. Bye.